When most people hear the word algebra, they immediately think of solving equations and finding the value of x. But algebra is far more powerful and fundamental than just equation solving. In reality, algebra is a branch of mathematics that uses symbols to represent numbers and quantities. This allows us to express relationships and solve problems in a much more general and powerful way than basic arithmetic. To understand this difference, let's compare arithmetic thinking with algebraic thinking. In arithmetic, we work with specific numbers. In algebra, we work with general patterns and relationships. In arithmetic, we might calculate specific examples. 3 plus 4 equals 7, 5 plus 6 equals 11, 8 plus 9 equals 17. These are individual calculations. But algebraic thinking sees the general pattern. Any number plus the next consecutive number follows the pattern a plus 1 equals 2a plus 1. This single expression captures infinitely many specific cases. Algebra uses symbols like variables to represent unknown or changing quantities. These symbols allow us to write expressions that describe relationships between quantities, even when we don't know their specific values. This abstraction gives algebra tremendous power. Instead of solving hundreds of individual problems, we can find general solutions that work for entire classes of problems. This is what makes algebra such a fundamental tool in mathematics and science. Algebra is built upon three fundamental components that work together to create mathematical expressions and equations. Understanding these core elements is essential for mastering algebraic concepts. The three core components of algebra are variables, constants, and operations. Each plays a distinct role in forming algebraic expressions. Variables are symbols, typically letters, that represent unknown or changing values. Common variables include x, y, z, and n. They allow us to work with quantities whose exact values we may not know initially. Constants are fixed numerical values that do not change. These include whole numbers like 3 and 5, negative numbers like -2, and mathematical constants like pi. Operations are mathematical actions we perform on numbers and variables. The 5 basic operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponentiation. These operations allow us to combine and manipulate algebraic components. Let's examine a simple algebraic expression to see how these components work together. Consider the expression 3x plus 5. In this expression, we can identify each component. The number 3 is a constant that serves as a coefficient, multiplying the variable x. The variable x represents an unknown value. The plus sign is an addition operation. Finally, the number 5 is another constant term. Understanding how variables, constants, and operations interact is fundamental to algebra. Every algebraic expression you encounter will be built from these three essential components, combined in various ways to represent mathematical relationships and solve problems. Algebra's true power extends far beyond simple number manipulation. The real strength lies in abstraction, the ability to represent complex real-world situations using mathematical symbols and relationships. Through abstraction, we can create mathematical models that describe complex relationships. Variables represent quantities that can change, allowing us to analyze patterns and solve problems across multiple disciplines. Consider projectile motion in physics. When we launch an object into the air, we can use algebra to model its trajectory. The height of the projectile at any time can be described by a quadratic equation. In economics and finance, algebra helps us calculate optimal investment strategies. We can model compound interest, risk assessment, and portfolio optimization using algebraic equations that guide financial decisions. This power of abstraction extends across all fields of science and engineering. From modeling population growth in biology to designing circuits in electrical engineering, algebra provides the mathematical foundation for understanding and solving complex real-world problems. By mastering algebraic abstraction, we gain the ability to see patterns, make predictions, and solve problems that would be impossible to tackle with arithmetic alone. This is why algebra serves as the gateway to advanced mathematics and scientific thinking. Technology is revolutionizing how students learn and engage with algebraic concepts. Modern educational tools are transforming traditional algebra instruction into dynamic, interactive experiences. Digital learning platforms provide interactive environments where students can explore algebraic concepts across multiple devices. These platforms offer step-by-step guidance, instant feedback, and comprehensive progress tracking. Game-based activities transform algebra practice into engaging experiences. Adaptive learning systems analyze student performance in real time, adjusting difficulty levels and providing personalized learning paths that match individual needs. Virtual and augmented reality technologies create immersive learning environments where students can visualize and manipulate algebraic concepts in three-dimensional space. These technologies help students develop spatial understanding of abstract mathematical relationships. Computer algebra systems provide powerful tools for symbolic computation and mathematical verification. These systems enable students to explore complex algebraic relationships and verify their solutions, ensuring reliability in experimental mathematics. Technology integration in algebra education creates more engaging, personalized, and effective learning experiences. From digital platforms to immersive virtual environments, these tools are reshaping how students understand and apply algebraic concepts, preparing them for success in our increasingly digital world. Algebraic thinking represents far more than just solving equations. It's a fundamental cognitive skill that forms the backbone of success in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Algebraic thinking encompasses three essential components. First, abstract reasoning allows us to think beyond specific numbers and see general patterns. Second, creative problem solving helps us find multiple pathways to solutions. Third, mathematical communication enables us to express complex ideas clearly and precisely. Consider this example. A company's profit increases by $500 each month. Algebraic thinking helps us identify the underlying pattern, create a general formula, and use it to make predictions. This demonstrates how we move from specific observations to abstract mathematical models. Algebraic thinking serves as the foundation for success across all STEM disciplines. In science, it helps model natural phenomena. In technology, it drives algorithm development. In engineering, it enables system optimization. In mathematics, it powers advanced problem-solving capabilities. Algebraic thinking builds essential skills in a progressive manner. Students first develop pattern recognition abilities, then advance to logical reasoning, and finally master abstract modeling. This foundation is crucial for post-secondary success and contributes to developing a skilled workforce capable of tackling complex challenges. The key takeaway is clear. Algebraic thinking extends far beyond solving equations. It develops the essential mental framework students need to succeed in our increasingly technology-driven world, making it truly foundational for STEM education and career success.